Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you fix Instagram login not working. So if your Instagram login isn't working in your device, then what you could do is to fix it. First of all, you could try checking for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. Head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Instagram, and here you have to go and make sure to check whether there is an update available or not. If it is completely updated and you still face issue, then you also want to make sure to check your login credential. So for now, I already have a logged in. So what you want to do is, first thing, go to your profile and click on the icon and go to add new Instagram account. After which you want to log into your account. So make sure to check your profile information correctly, that is username and then the contact details as well as password. If you have a password incorrect, then it can be one of the reason, so you want to make sure to check that out. If not, then you could also try resetting your password by tapping on forgot password. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, the next thing you want to do is long press the Instagram application and go to this I button or the app info section. Here, scroll down, go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your data and log you out of it. So if you're sure about it, you could go ahead and press that as well. And when you've done all of these procedure and nothing works out, then last alternative is to completely uninstall Instagram and reinstall it. At the same time, restart your device. That is going to help you out to fix. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.